for today is system of linear inequalities. Meron tayo ditong sample ng isang equation which is etong y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. Then sinulat natin yung equation eto which is yung y is equals to 1/2 x plus 1. Then para makuha natin yung value ng y and x, magpo-proceed tayo sa pagsasolve using 0-0 test. Let x equals to 0, y is equals to 1/2, and yung value ng x yung 0, plus 1, y equals to 1, then nakuha na natin yung value ng y which is yung 1. Dito naman tayo sa pagkuha ng value ng x. Let y equals to 0, 0 equals to 1/2, x plus 1. 1/2 x equals to negative 1, x equals to negative 2, and nakuha na natin yung value ng x which is yung negative 2. Dito na tayo sa 0-0 test. 0 is less than or equal to 1/2, and yung value pa rin ng x yung 0 na pinalit natin, plus 1. 0 less than or equal to 1, which is true. Then nakuha na natin yung value ng x and y which is yung value ng x yung 2 and yung value ng y yung 1. Yung sa x ay negative 2. Igagraph na natin. And yung sa y ay 1. Another example ng equation etong sa number 2 which is yung y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 2. Then, sinulat natin yung equation as y is equals to 2x minus 2. Then, para makuha ulit yung value ng x and y, kailangan ulit natin siya isolve. Then, let x is equals to 0, y is equals to 2, and yung value pa rin ng x na pinalitan natin ng 0, minus 2, y equals to negative 2. Then, nakuha na natin yung value ng x and y, which is yung y is yung sa negative 2. Then, proceed naman tayo sa let y is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 2. X minus negative 2. 2x is equals to 2. X is equals to 1. Then, nakuha na natin yung value ni x which is yung 1. Proceed naman tayo dito sa 0-0 test. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. Then, yung value pa rin ng x yung 0. Minus 2, 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2 equals true. Then, po-point naman natin yung, or isusulat naman natin yung value ng x and y dito sa graph. Igagraph na natin, which is yung y sa negative 2. And yung x naman is sa 1. Number 3. Y is greater than or equal to negative 1/2 x minus 3. Then, sinulat natin yung equation. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 3. And kukunin ulit natin yung value ni x and dy. Let x equals to 0. Y is equals to negative 1/2. Then, yung value ulit ng x na pinalitan natin ng 0. Minus 3. Y is equals to negative 3. Then, nakuha na natin yung value ni y which is yung negative 3. And dito naman tayo sa kabila. Let y is equals to 0. 0 is equals to negative 1/2 x minus 3. Negative 1/2 x is equals to 3. X is equals to negative 6. And nakuha na natin yung value ni x which is yung negative 6. Dito naman tayo sa 0-0 test. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 1/2. And yung value pa rin ni x yung 0, minus 3. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 3 which is true. Then nakuha na natin yung value ni y and dx. Yung sa x is yung negative 6, sa y is negative 3. Igagraph naman natin ulit yung value nila. Negative 6, negative 3. Tapos na tayo mag-graph and nakuha na natin yung final result and i-shade na natin siya.